Hi, my name's Matilda. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am whispering because it's early and other people are sleeping. This is my first day as a lifeguard and I'm so excited. I completed all my training last week and yesterday, so let's go have my first shift. I just got here. I have to get changed really quick and then get started. So I'm just on my break now. My legs are a bit tired. Got some food. And yeah, I would say it's going pretty well. Very chill. We've only had like a few people in, so not too much to do. Yeah, but it's good. I had some chats. Yeah, not too much to say at this time. So that was my day as a lifeguard. Thank you so much for coming with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope to be able to film more videos showing a bit more in depth about what goes on. Because it was my first day, I wasn't able to show as much as I would like. And I look forward to doing another one similar to this. Okay, thanks, bye!